you goodbye at the airport, held you so close to me, I said, so here we are now, and I can't stop from crying, Lily. And you said, hey, hey, ho, you know this is the way to go. You will forget about me when I'm on that plane. Forget about me when I'm on that plane. Tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight. My both cheeks hard, and the man who stood next to me said, everything is gonna be alright. I said, nothing is gonna be alright, but thank you anyway. And then I saw your face in the airplane window. I waved my hands and I shouted to you, tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight. I wore a t-shirt and my worn out hat, abandoned as a summer cat. And as I stood there as a broken hearted, I realized you got the car keys still. So I broke into my own old car. I fell asleep on the passenger seat. I dreamed of summer sex with you, and you whispered in my ears, tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight. Why can't you leave me tomorrow instead? Why can't you leave me tomorrow instead? And above the clouds she said to herself, I can't believe how naive a man can be. That's why I love you so, and that's why I can't be with you tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight, 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 I wanna be with you tonight.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, it's okay, baby. Only words inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone,
You at the top of the mountain?
wait for me to come home.